friends, welcome back to yet another Photoshop tutorial in which we will learn how to create a carousel post in Photoshop. To start with, create a new file of 1000 by 1000 pixels. Multiply the width by the number of slides you want. Now click on Create. Import the image which you want to crop in slices. Adjust it by pressing Ctrl or Command T. Now go to View and choose New Guide Layout. In the number, enter the number of slices you want and change the gutter value to 0. Hit OK. Now from the toolbar, select the Slice tool and click on Slice from Guides. As you do that, your image will be divided into 3 different parts. Now go to File, Export and click on Save from Web. Save the image to your destination and you are done. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.